Now this is a rear bike light. Now it comes from Wilko. I think they've gone bust now. And the main problem is that the button doesn't work properly. Now what I'm going to do is take it apart. I can use a screwdriver. Alternatively, you can use a coin. Now you take the AA batteries out. And there's also the rubber seal that goes around it that protects it from the weather. There are also 2 screws, Positron or Phillips. Simply undo those screws so you can get to the bottom. Now just here on I'll put the screws in the right place. So if you look carefully on the right hand side of this PCB, just there, that is where the button is pressed. And on the left hand side, where my thumb is, that is the 3 volts that goes in to the unit. Now what I'm doing is going to use some alcohol and just to use a leather cloth and just to clean up the contacts. And that's that, so we can now try it out. You can also clean the blue button as well if you want. Now I'm just going to put it back in place. Put the 2 screws back in. Now the important part here is to make sure that you get the batteries around the right way. Push them in firmly. They can pop out when you're cycling, so just make sure they're in. And as you can see, press it several times and it's working. Now this part here is important. Just make sure you don't leave it out and make sure it's put on correctly. Now if you can, like and subscribe, that'd be fantastic. Yeah, so just make sure that the seal is in the right place. Now the top, it looks like it's a universal either side, so I don't think it matters which way you put it on. But when you do push it on, just make sure you push it firmly on so we don't get any water inside. Just check all around, it looks okay. Now, final test. So press it. There's several settings. I think it's about 6 or 7 different sequences or flashes. That looks like it's working. So, that's it. Please, if you are watching this video and you gave you value, then please share, like and subscribe.